Here's one with a custom look at unique specialty and classics. Just in 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door sedan or two-door post. Rebuilt 283 underneath the hood, so V8 power. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front bumper. Of course, the grille, headlight surrounds, and the bright work up front. Custom paint with the cream and copper two-tone combination. Shaved door handles. If you look a little further down that passenger side, check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on these chrome wheels, a little customization done to them with the matching copper paint. Disc brakes up front, drums in the rear. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels look awful straight. Paint has a nice shine to it. It does have door poppers on a key fob. We're going to get around to the driver's side. I'm going to show you how that works in just a bit. There is some light tint on the side glass too, so just know your local and state laws as far as the window tint percentage that you can have. You'll be able to see the windows up in the still pictures. Bucket seats up front, two-tone combination interior. Custom center console, aftermarket stereo. And again, we will get around to that driver's side, check it out a little bit closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. Give you a good look at that rear window and how that roof line is. Cool look to these 1961s. This car will also come with a car cover. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Those disc brakes up front are 80%, 70% in the rear. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo is in working order. So the left side header does have a little bit of a leak to it, so you get a little bit of tick from the exhaust. Aftermarket gauges are working. It is missing the speedo needle though, just so you know, and the exhaust is a full dual exhaust coming off the headers and is newer. And you'll be able to see that in the underside pictures, and those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see the paint shows well. Nice shine to it. Cool two-tone combination. If you like these early 60s, maybe just like custom cars, either way, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done either online or right off our showroom floor. All right, you can see. Nice stance to the car. All right, let me see if I can get this popper with the camera in one hand, the key fob in the other. So again, just a popper and a key fob right here. Push the button number 1, unlocks the door so you can open it. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. So matching door panels. As far as color combination to the seats. Tilt column. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I didn't have the ignition locked, just so you know, so I can start it without the key. For you folks that remember how that used to work back in the day. Top of the dash painted to match the exterior. And stereo's working order. Station should come in. A little pat for you. This Benatar. All right. Headliner looks good. No rips, tears, holes in the seat. Nice fold down armrest in that rear. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Sounds pretty good. Little rumble coming out of that 283. Let's slip up to the front. I want to get this hood popped, and we're going to take a look at this engine bay. And when we're done doing that, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road too. All right, so hood pop. Give you a good look at the underside here. There is something I want to mention quick about that hood too. I was going to show you earlier. Looks like she might have got a little bit hot underneath that hood once upon a time, and kind of shows a little scarring on that paint up above. But here you go. Again, according to the previous owner, rebuilt 283. Edelbrock 4-barrel. You can hear that exhaust leak I mentioned earlier. Now this is a consignment car. If you're wondering, well, why don't you fix that? Consigner this vehicle said sell it the way it is, announce it in the video, and that's what we're doing. Reflect it in the price. Power steering, power brakes. (1961) Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door post or 2-door sedan. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yeah, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is a 2-door with some copper accents on a cream, maybe white-ish paint job. Looking good. Got cream on the inside here as well. Nice aftermarket steering wheel with metal finger grooves on the back. Color matched on the front. Aftermarket bucket seats, very comfortable. Matching the aesthetics well. This is an automatic with a late model shifter down here in the center console. In fact, that entire piece appears to be from a late model with cup holders, 12-volt access, and speakers built in. And between the seats we have storage with a lid as well. Wipers work on this car. Pioneer stereo in the dash. You get ahead of it.
Linzeslin Eclotide is a prescription.
Very clear sound from that stereo. Under the dash, we have a temperature gauge from SunPro reading 180 degrees, oil pressure 50 psi. Amps are showing right in the middle of the gauge. On the factory gauges, we have almost a half a tank of fuel, between a quarter and a half. Now the speedometer does not have a needle. So it's a drive-by feel kind of car. That's a good thing. Less stress than that, no. You just go by sound, you go by feel, you just have fun. It's like not looking at the clock. Hopefully you can appreciate that. This car feels good on the road. You can hear a little exhaust leak. Sounds like maybe a gasket. But it runs just fine. And it rumbles out the back as it should. Smooth straight lines on this car. Corners as it should for a 61. The upholstery especially striking, very well done. Custom upholstery on the doors, the kick panels, the rear seat, that center console, and the headliner. Take a look at all the pictures for yourself at uniqueclassiccars.com.